Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LRC. As in my earlier video, I was showing you a huge breakout that was happened on the weekly time frame chart from a very big falling wedge pattern. And this was the video, by the way. And we were also looking at inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to show you this broadening wedge pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the previous reports in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for KuCoin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup. It will take you to the trading views chart, and there is a play button available on every trading views chart. You just need to click that button, and it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line has found this resistance, the downtrend line resistance and a downtrend line support as well. And you can see whenever it is getting rejected by the resistance, it is forming lower lows. And this time it has formed another lower low and also forming lower highs as well. And for example, if this time the price line will read the resistance of this broadening wedge pattern, then this time the resistance will be approximately at 25 cents. And you can see it has bounced very well from the support of this wedge, and there is a probability that it may make another attempt to break out the resistance of this broadening wedge pattern on this daily time frame chart. There is another support that is coming all the way from here. You can see we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, and after this bounce, this support is more confirmed. And at the same time, this is also the formation of a quite wide and big falling wedge pattern as well. And once LRC will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, then the target can be here at the top of the wedge, that can be approximately at 38, between 37 to 38 cents. Now, if the price line reaches zero, let me just show you this weekly time frame chart now. Then you can see at 30 cents, we have a very, very long-term resistance. Previously, this level was working as a support here and as a resistance here back in September 2020. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. In fact, we have broken down this resistance almost 1 week or 2 weeks ago. And therefore, we need to break it out once again in order to continue its move to the upside. At the same time, we also had this inverse head and shoulder pattern that we were discussing in my previous videos as well. And now the price line after this sell-off is moved very close to this support that we have here at 18 cents. And I was telling you that this inverse head and shoulder move can be valid until or unless the price line will not form another lower than the previous low of this head. And so far, the price line is not able to form another lower than the previous low of this head. Therefore, still there is a probability for this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this time the shoulder can be in this way. And the neckline is the same so far for this inverse head and shoulder pattern, that is here, slightly moving to the downside. And if the price line breaks out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and then the target for this breakout can be, by the way, it depends from where it will break out. For example, if it will break out from here, then the target can be approximately at $1.07. And the target for this huge falling wedge pattern that has already happened, and then the target can be here at the top of the wedge, that can be between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.